Hey, 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 hey. Happy Saturday, everybody. Special live, special events, special announcements. Wait. Sorry, this is what happens when you go live unexpected. How was your Saturday? Sorry for disturbing your Saturday, but special events requires special videos. This is the video about the future of technical analysis. Hi Asaf, hi Rafael. Let's wait for more people to join us. This is a special video, special event. I hope you got a chance already to see the stock market weekly review. I really do. If not, go and see it. Great music. Thank you, Asaf. How is everybody today? How is your Saturday so far? How is your Saturday? Everybody sees me, everybody hear me. If you're here, say hi. This is special live. So don't let me hang on here. Say hi. Hi Itzik. 11 p.m. Saturday evening. Yep, I'm working. I'm working to bring you the best of the technical analysis world, as I promised. The first 6 months of 2024. Hi Shlomi. As I promised, the first 6 months of 2024, I'm doing everything in my power to help you, each and every one of you. Doesn't matter where you are from the world. Doesn't matter what language you're speaking. I'm here to help you. This is one of my top 5 goals, my personal top 5 goals in the first 6 months of 2024. Why? Because you followed me, but I'm also following you on your trading journey. And I know, because I've been there, the trading journey is super tough, super rough, super hard. But with the right guidance, with the right support, 95% of you can succeed. 95%. I know it. Why? Because I had already many traders from all around the world, from US to Europe to Israel to India, Pakistan, Thailand, Korea and Japan, and one from Australia down under. And everybody goes on the same path. 95% of you have the chance to succeed. For some of you, it will take 3 months. For some of you, it will take 6 months. For some of you, it will take 2 years. Same as it happened to me. It took me 2 years of studying YouTube, thousands and thousands of hours of YouTube, dozens of courses, hours of looking at charts, 16, 17, 18 hours a day. Yes, 16 hours a day looking at charts, trying to find my way in this tough world of trading. But once everything clicks, it's amazing. It's amazing. You need 1 year. 1 year of success to become financial freedom. 1 year. And then it's all about risk management. From the beginning, it's risk management, not to lose. Then once you start winning, start your profit, it takes 1 year. And then it's risk management, not to lose everything we did, to keep it and gain more. but it takes 1 year to change your life. And this is why I'm here. This is why I do 2 lives a day. This is why I post 2 videos, one in English, one in Hebrew. This is why I have my Discord team. Discord members, gold members, premium members, diamond members. Each choose their own path to success. And there is no one member in my Discord that can say, I asked Tamir something, I've asked him something, and he didn't reply me. No one. Why? Because this is why I guarantee lifetime access and support. Lifetime access for support, guidance, and of course all Discord channels. Because it takes time, it takes patience, and I'm there for you to back you up on this road. There is no end of the road. But during this road, you will become successful, at least 90-95% of you. So, this live is not only about this one. This live, I get many questions. How do I prepare? How do I prepare? And how do I find stocks? By the way, if you're here, say hi. Don't be shy. Hi, 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 Dudu. Don't go away. Very interesting. I'm not just going live because I'm bored. 11:30 p.m. China time, Saturday. It's not because I'm bored, because I have nothing to do. It's because I have many things I want. 2 very important things that I want to talk to you about. 2 very important things. This we don't need. First thing, I get so many questions from members, from YouTube comments, Twitter comments. How do I find stocks to trade? So first, this is my chart. I have here generalist. I will show you. 1 second, bear with me. Here I have a list of, you see the number? You don't see the number. 1 second. Here is the number. 418 names on a general list. I go over each and every name each weekend. Every Saturday morning I wake up with my coffee. Instead of heading to the news, reading the newspaper, I take my coffee and I go to the weekly charts on my general list. Once I'm done with my general list, I go to the list of the S&P 500. Another 500 names where I go over on the weekly stocks. Name by name, like this. Name by name. So all around, it's around 900 names every week. Like this. Only candles, no indicators, no nothing on my chart. This is what I do. It's my work. It's my job. If I will not do it, I'm not doing my job. Being a trader, successful trader, and it doesn't matter if it's part-time trader, full-time trader, swing, day trading, doesn't matter what you trade. It's a job like any other job. You need to know your job, and this is part of becoming successful trader. Go over the whole 500 names of the S&P 500. Which platform? TradingView. This is the platform I'm using for my chart analysis. TradingView. Now, I go over all the names, one by one on the weekly chart. I'm looking for setups that aligns with my set of rules on the technical side. I have a set of rules which I'm very strict about. Some will say fanatic about my set of rules. This is my rules, and I will not break them. I break them, but when I break them, market smacks me on the head. So I try not to break them. So this is how I go. And then it turns into from 900 stocks total, from generalist 400, another 500 from the S&P 500, I get a smaller list of stocks this week, around 30. Now I have all these names on the daily. Now I go over again on all these 30 names on the daily. And now I'm trying to figure out whether it's good for short, whether it's good for long. I'm trying to figure out where is the next support, where is the next resistance. I throw lines, I go over one by one. We have the trend lines, we have everything that we need. We have trend lines, we have channels. This is how we do it. This is how I do it. Every weekend. Every weekend. You have this. You have this. Is this a good setup? If not, I just delete it from the stock. I move on. As you can see, AMAT. Good, right? Broke above this resistance. Now we have two gaps to the downside. Now we have this support. We have this support. And as long as we are above the 165, we can go long, right? We also have a channel from here to here to here. Uptrend on AMAT until proven otherwise. Annette, same thing. What do we have? Uptrend until proven otherwise. Very nice. And even broke up and above, right? Now where is the next resistance? Doesn't matter right now. What we are learning is how to find names, how to find stocks. This is how you find. APP. You have a very tough resistance area, right? So we are waiting for a break above the 45.10. Put an alert and that's it. Forget about it. Come back later once this alert is set. ARM. Very nice uptrend. Double bottom. Now you have this area. You have a gap over here. You have support over here. Support over here. Support over here. That's it. Long continuation above this one. Short below the 71 towards the 66. This is how I do it. Each and every weekend. Look at BLD. Nice. Long continuation above the 380. Short below the 346. And then we will close the gap over here and also the gap over here. CRDO. Same thing. Broke above a very tough resistance. This is the support. Where price might be heading next. Take these trend lines. Trend lines will show you where price might be heading next. Towards maybe the 23, 24. CRM, same thing. Over and over and over again. If you want to be successful, if you want to succeed in this job, it's a job. By all means. And a very difficult one. You can take also from here, right? Look, boom, CRM, long continuation, breaking up and above. That's it. Crocs. What do we need? You have this, breaking above the 107, go long towards this gap over here because we know more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. Short below 98.50. Towards where? Towards this gap over here. You have a gap over here. Short below this one. Long below above this one. That's it. This is how you find stocks for the coming week. For swing, of course. And you have trend lines to help you identify the trend. And as you can see, Crocs, you have this. Right? Crocs, you have this. Trend line. Downtrend line. Every time since April, Crocs reached this trend line, got rejected, so you need to wait for break and close above it. But ladies and gentlemen, this is how you do it. If you want to be successful, if you want to be successful trader for the long run, patience. Do the work. You have a general list. I have a general list. If you want, it's in my Discord. I share all my lists, and everything that I do, I share with my Discord team, which, by the way, is growing each and every day. If you don't know my Discord, if you don't know Fibonacci Traders Discord, this is our Discord. Okay? You have trading floor in English, everything premium, exclusive swing lounge, options, crypto, general chat, Zoom meetings. You have the same thing in Hebrew. You have premium zone, you have educational materials, you have bots, you have all the news, everything. Anything that you need. Disney, look at Disney. Great resistance, long above it. Right? Super simple. But first, you need to train your eyes. Train your eyes to become successful traders. Just go over 400. Go over every weekend. Go over the S&P 500 and the weekly, S&P 500 and the daily. Every weekend. Believe me. Trust me. In just 2-3 months, by doing it every weekend, your eyes will start see things that you never saw before. Without even looking, just go over like a robot. Tuck, 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 tuck. Name by name, name by name. Like this. Don't look for entry and exit. Don't look. Just like this. Tuck, 2 seconds. Every stock, 2 seconds. Like this. Look, look, look. What do we see? What do we see? What do we see? 2-3 seconds. Every name. And then once again, on the daily, once again, on the weekly. 500 stock each and every weekend, each and every weekend. Consistency, consistency, consistency. Believe me, I've been there. I've done it. I have done it. It took me 2 years and another 2 years of trading, 2 years of learning. And then I started trading full-time. On the 3rd year of my journey, I started trading full-time. And my best year was my 3rd year. Suddenly, it all came back like this. I think it was 2018 or something like this. 2019. My best year. Life-changing year. You need 1 year. One. Not 1 day, not 1 trade, not 1 month. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a normal live. This is not a Q&A live. Okay, I will not go over stocks. By the way, Oz, AMD, check the weekly stock market recap. You have in English and you have in Hebrew. This is a special live. Now, let's talk about the most interesting, and this is the future. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the future of technical analysis? This is something I've been working on in the last 2.5 months, since end of October, because I know all these indicators, they don't work. They don't. Okay? They don't. Let's agree that all these indicators don't work. How do I know it? Because if 1 or 2 indicators from all these indicators, or 1 or 2 strategies based on one of these indicators would have worked, you and you and you and you and me, we will not meet here. You will not ask me what's AMD doing. You will not ask me what is AKM doing. You will not ask me what is Tesla doing. You will not go and find others to let you know what to do, how to do, and where to do. But we are all normal people, right? So why more than 95% of all people that ever tried to become traders, successful traders, failed in their first year? With all this free knowledge, free education, free tools that are out there on YouTube, here, on TradingView. All this is free, right? Technicals, financials, scripts from other users. And we are still 95%. There is no other job in the world that more than 95% of all the people that try to make the job failed. Lawyers, surgeons, pilots, teachers, house builders, architects, agriculture, any job in the world, sailors, whatever, doesn't matter. Cookers, chefs. No other job in the world, more than 95% of all people that tried the job failed. Failed. No other job. Ask yourself, why? Because most of the stuff that is out there, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, any other social media, forgive me the language, bullshit. I can say it, right? It's almost 12 a.m. here, Saturday evening. Bullshit. It's not working. Not working. So this is why, and I know the frustration because I've been there. I've been looking for that right tool. So I've made it possible. 2.5 months. I've worked on this tool. This is not an indicator. This is not your normal indicator. This is the Fibonacci-Traders indicator version 3. More updates might come in the future, but for now, it's ready. I've been testing it on every time frame, on everything that you want to trade. It gives you Fibonacci levels. It gives you trend lines. It gives you where to buy, where to sell. It gives you risk management line. So you don't need to think, wait, where do I put my stop? Here, you have this line. Airbnb. Anything that you want. Trend lines. Automatically. Fibonacci. Automation. Risk management. Automation. SPY. SPY. And the daily. SPY and the weekly. Everything. Fibonacci. It gives you automatically Fibonacci according to the time frame that you are trading, the sell buy, risk management, and levels, and the trend lines according to the time frame that you are trading. Look at Tesla, uptrend on the daily and the weekly, right? But look at this, steep downtrend on the daily. Yesterday, we took PayPal on the 15 minutes. It gave us everything, the buy signal, and as long no, it's not valid anymore. If you want, wait. Yeah, I need to change some stuff. I don't have time. I have 24 hours a day and I don't have enough time. Here, I also made special 34% off to join the gold membership. It gives you access for all the rooms that I mentioned before. All the rooms. Last Friday, we took paper long. We also took, what else we take? According to this, I don't remember. What we took? Let me check. We took Boeing. We took SPY. Everything. You see? Everything according to this FTI. The Fibonacci Traders Indicator Volume 3. You can trade anything that you want. You want to trade SPY. Here you have SPY. You want to trade Bitcoin. Trade Bitcoin. On any time frame. See, Bitcoin. On the 15 minutes. These trend lines, we can adjust them. You see? Adjust them perfectly. Uptrend on the 15 minutes with the Fibonacci. What else do you want to trade? Anything that you want. QQQ on any time frame. Any time frame. Look at AMD. We took also AMD. Look, buy. And since then, and this is on the 15 minutes. This is AMD. On the daily. Buy signal. We need to adjust. You need to adjust it a little bit. You can adjust it. 2 is the most accurate. On the daily, 2 here is the most accurate. For day trading is a little less. But if you want this indicator that will give you everything. Look. This is without anything. We don't know what to do, right? What to do? Buy, sell, AMD. All-time highs. What to do? Buy, sell. Don't break your head. You have the FTI Volume 3. The Fibonacci Traders version 3. AMD uptrend channel. We have this yellow zone. This yellow zone is the most important support resistance zone in the FTI version 3. And as long as price is above it, we are good. We are set to go long. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Buy signal way back. 12 days back, we got a buy signal off this trend line. Every time we hit this trend line, we get a buy signal. So this is it. This is the future. This is the future of price, of technical analysis. You can trade anything that you want. Anything you want to trade. I don't know. Mara. On the 5 minutes. Here you have Mara. On the 5 minutes. Right? It's an uptrend. But the FTI version 3 gave us a sell signal. Because even so we are in an uptrend. We are sliding down. So if we were long over here on Mara on the 15 minutes, here on the second candle, the FTI told us it's time to get out of this long. On the 5 minutes, you want to trade Mara on the 15 minutes? Here you have it. Downtrend until proven otherwise. You have on the intraday, we need to adjust it to 1.5 or 1 even. Broke above. We got ourselves the buy signal over here. Broke above. Fibonacci. 1, 2, 3 candles Resistance. The FTI told us it's time to sell. The price is failing to break up and above. So it's time to sell Mara. This is how it works. Anything that you want to trade on any time frame, it works. It works. You want to trade hot for day trading? Here you have hot on day trading. Downtrend until proven otherwise, moving sideways, breaking below this yellow zone. And we will get, as we got over here, sell as soon as we break below the yellow zone, we get a sell signal. But for the buy, way before. What else do you want to trade? You want to trade CVNA for day trading? This is CVNA for day trading. You can buy signal above the yellow zone. Trend lines shows us the way. And as long as we are inside these trend lines, we are good to go. CVNA on the daily looks like this. Sell. Once we enter these trend lines to the downside, we got ourselves a sell signal over here already. Now we got ourselves a buy last Friday. But on the weekly, look at this. CVNA still under a sell signal, even if on the weekly, CVNA is inside a very steep uptrend, right? But now you can ask yourself, what do I do? Like Alon is asking himself, what do I do with CVNA? Should I buy? Should I sell? Should I hold? We don't know, right? But this is why we have the FTI version 3, the Fibonacci-Traders indicator version 3. It's here to help us. It's here to help us make the best decision we can make. Nothing is 100% proof. Nothing. But this will help you with up to 80%. Up to 80% accuracy on any time frame. Any time frame. But here you can ask yourself, wait, but why it gave us a sell signal? We are inside an uptrend channel, right? But we're inside also the yellow zone. And once we enter the yellow zone and the time frame that we are trading, we need, it's not the time to go short, but it's also not the time to go long. Even if we have a buy signal on the daily, we need to see continuation above the yellow zone. Above the yellow zone here, we're good to go long. And as long as we're inside the yellow zone here and below the yellow zone here, no long on CVNA. Hi Ashish, this is, go back to the beginning of the live. This is a special development that I've been developing in the last 2.5 months. I've put a lot of work together with PineScript developers. I've put all my knowledge under one roof. You have the Fibonacci levels on any time frame. You have trend lines automatically. Fibonacci automatically. Buy sell signals automatically. Risk management. This line is your risk management. If you entered here short, this is your stop. And as long as it's going down inside these trend lines with which the FTI gave it to us, it gives us everything. And this is your risk management. If we are here, our risk management is here. And if we are here, this buy signal stopped us out. But if we entered here, or even here, from 50 to 44, pretty nice short, right? But it gave us the signal over here. So if we entered 56 and we went out because we got ourselves a buy signal, which is our stop loss for short, 20% on CVNA short, right? So this is this indicator. No, it's not free alone. First, I've put a lot of work, a lot of money poured into it, a lot of money. But you're more than welcome to check the Fibonacci Traders. I've opened a new channel on the Fibonacci Traders on the trading floor, which explains everything on this indicator with examples, also in Hebrew. For now, we have a waiting list. And as I said over here, first, 10 members will get the first glimpse on this indicator for $59 for the first month. I don't know what will happen after the first month, but only 10 traders will be the first to get a glimpse. And you need to be, if you want to get on this waiting list, first you need to go inside the Fibonacci Traders, write your name under the waiting list, and the priority will be to already paid members like premium members, diamond members, or gold members. But for $59 per month, only $59 per month, you get the Fibonacci Traders Indicator version 3. You are more than welcome to check our premium room. Yesterday, we took Tesla long above the 211. We took Boeing pretty well. Tesla went pretty well. PayPal yesterday. Who trades PayPal? We do. For day trading. We took Apple. Look, Apple long above 188. And look at where Apple went yesterday. Apple went bonanza yesterday. We took Apple. We took PayPal long above 63.70. PayPal. Where is Apple? So, based, you remember, long above 188.20, 189.96. For day trading, Tesla, before the move. Now look at Tesla where she went. Tesla broke above, went up for day trading. Pretty nice, right? So no, it's not free. It will not be free. And I don't think it will keep the $59 per month. $59 per month, and you get my full support. It's not just $59 per month and that's it. You get my full support. You will get videos on how to use it until you will know how to use this. Pretty simple. All the default settings are good to go. You just need to know what you're looking for and how to look at it and how to work with it. Like any other tool. This is why I give my full support on this FTI version 3, the Fibonacci Traders version 3 indicator. This is the future of technical analysis. Only $59 per month. It's less than your morning coffee. Your morning coffee costs around $3 a day. Depends where you live. Between $3 to $4 every day you spend on your morning coffee. And this you get less than your morning coffee. Less than $2 per day. Take one trade, successful trade every day with this one. One trade will cover a yearly subscription for this indicator. So, first, you're more than welcome to join us, the Fibonacci-Traders Discord team. We are growing every day, and once again, we have trading floor in English, we have trading floor in Hebrew. And if you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, I offer the one-on-one live mentorship program. I offer the online program. We also have groups, learning groups. New learning groups, up to 6 people, every group, only $697 for lessons from A to Z. 4 lessons from A to Z until you become better trader. And of course, everything you purchase from the Fibonacci-Traders, and it doesn't matter what you purchase, you get lifetime access for support and guidance, whether it's the one-on-one, whether it's the group, whether it's the online course. Lifetime access guaranteed. So I hope you find this video helpful, educational, and surprising. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of technical analysis is here. Get your name on this waiting list. And until the next video, thank you very much for joining. Stay safe.